Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. To get entry from the user, we can use the input method. And I'm going to store the user entry into a variable that I will call welcome message. I'm going to use the input method available in Python, and here is the message that I will display to the user, and whatever the user enters will be stored in the variable welcome message. I may want to have a number variable as well, so I'm going to put video number, and I might give any number, maybe 4, since this is our 4th video for Python. And now I'm just going to use the print method to display my variables. The message is, so whatever message the user puts in, and I would just paste that variable. And I'll do the same for the other variable, the number, the integer variable. So this is video number, and I'll have my video number variable there. And let's run this program. And so here it's asking me to enter a message. So this is prompting the user for entry. So I'm just going to say, this is a test message, and when I hit enter, the message is displayed back to me saying the message is, and that's just our string message there, and this is the message or the entry that I've put in just here, and this is just displaying the number variable there. Okay, so that's it. This is how we can get entry from the user using the input method. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.